What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Turbo John, and you're on the Turbo John YouTube channel. Appreciate y'all joining in. We have been working on the race car. Let me show you what we got going on. This is exciting. I'm really excited. Comment, like, and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. If you're not familiar with the car, this is a big block Chevrolet, 532 cubic inches. Got this engine from my buddy down in Florida, Jerry. It was a nitrous motor. We just changed the camshaft in it. Got us a Powell camshafts, Powell machine. Camshaft, that thing works phenomenal. Precision turbo. This is a Gen 2 118 millimeter turbo. That thing works great. AFR 357 heads. The wiring on this car was done by my buddy Austin. Drag Wire Solutions. Awesome job wiring this thing up. 10 Soldier race cars, rear end, 4-link brackets. And Uncle Mike is the one that built this chassis. Now, this is John Doc's old car. It was the Glizzard, I think is what they called it. It went down to a couple race shops. It was at local shop, and then it was at Cameron Johnson's race cars down in Florida. They done a bunch of work on it. And Uncle Mike went ahead. It was stock suspension when we got it, but he went ahead and cut all that stuff out and put traditional 4-link back in the back, double frame rail, super lightweight. Got our transmission lightning quick glides from Anton. And if y'all have not tried one of these batteries, these full spectrum power batteries are unbelievable. They work really good. So get you one. So very happy with the car. The car's running really good. Went a personal best with the car this past weekend to the 60 foot. It was really quick. Very happy with that. So excited. Now we're going no prep racing this weekend. What we've done so far, we went ahead and changed the oil. We are using Lucas oil now, 50 weight oil. And so that thing is good. The oil, when it comes out, it looks like a Smurf now, though. It goes in like a dark blue, and then when it comes out, it looks like Carolina blue. So that's the moisture and the methanol. So really happy with the way the car is running, really happy the way it's turned out. But the biggest thing on this thing right now is the look change. Wow. So if you saw the last video when we were racing, I told you there was going to be some major changes in the looks. And boy, I can't thank Tony and Rowdy enough at RC Comp. We met them up at Bowling Green when we were up there. Talked to them. They had their rig. They had their nice display out there. If y'all have not seen RC Comp wheels, you need to go to their website. I've got them linked in the description below as well. Tell them you saw their stuff on Turbo John video. I really appreciate them helping us out with getting us a new look. They watch the channel all the time, and you know, they're a father-son team. They got a good business, they got good wheels, and they like drag racing. So that's pretty cool. I appreciate y'all, Tony. I appreciate you, Tony and Rowdy, watching the videos and coming on board. Woo! Ooh, look, you see it kind of back there? Oh boy, I'm excited. Shoo-wee. Boy, look at there. Are you kidding me right now? RC Comp, these are the Hammer S's. When I was talking to Rowdy and to Tony up there when we were at Bowling Green, he was like, dude, he's like, I think these wheels would look fantastic. And he is right. And wheels make a car. I mean, that is 100%. We got Pro Stars on the back right now. I've got 2 sets of Pro Stars. But, you know, they're deep set down in there. So they don't look terrible because they got the beadlocks on them. But, man, those right there, Tony and Rowdy, man, y'all are right. That looks unbelievably good. Tires will be here tomorrow, so I'm going to take them over to Mike's at the shop, and we're going to go ahead and stick the tires on the wheels. Super excited. The new look is going to be crazy. And these are 17s. We have 15s on it. So my buddy Brandon is going to get the old ones back there because he's building his hot rod, the Hemi, the Gen 3 Hemi. So those wheels are going to stick around. So that's not too bad of a deal. So, man, God, I'm excited. What do you guys think? Hang on a second. I'm going to come back. We end the video for tonight. And then tomorrow, when we come back, it's going to be sitting on the ground. And we are going drag racing this weekend. We got to change the back suspension. JJ the Boss is at Natural Bridge. That's kind of what we're leaning toward going now. It's frontside no prep. I really have fun at JJ's races. It's kind of wild, but it's always a good time. Free entry, $5,000. Usually has a pretty good car count. So we're going to be there with the new look. Man, that looks bad to the bone. right, boys, check it out. Son, Brandon just got over here too. He's getting my old front wheels, the Cat 5s. And for all those that said we needed to polish them, Brandon, I need you to polish those.
How do you polish that color?
Well, it's powder coat, so you can't polish them. So you're going to have to repowder coat them if you want to change colors. But everybody give me crap. But, man, RC Comp, again, I can't thank Tony and Rowdy enough, man. These look phenomenal. These look really, really good. Now, I did trim up in the fender. Obviously, the wheel is a little taller. And, no, it looks like it's going to clear. I might have to trim it up a little bit more. This single source composites front end, it comes with a lot of material around the wheels to make it nice and sturdy. So let's see what we got. TBM brakes up there. These things spinning flawlessly like always. Unreal. Wow, that looks good. Wow, that looks good. Rowdy and Tony, y'all were right, man. A set of wheels, it makes a difference. Check it out. Let's put it on the ground. All right, guys, what do you think, man? What do you think, Brandon?
I think the tires are even now. They're not tucked in like they were.
Yeah, that's what, sometimes they tuck them in. I might get Uncle Mike at some point to shorten these control arms. I don't know if there's any room. There ain't no room to shorten them. Actually, no, there probably is. That piece of pipe is threaded all the way. So all we got to do is, I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Because if we shorten that bottom A-arm up, then that's going to pull the strut in, maybe. Actually, I don't know if it will or not. We're going to leave it the way it is. He spent so much time making sure that it was right. So we are good. It's tucked in, but it's barely tucked in. I am going to have to go in here on both sides and thin this out because when you're turning, it is barely hitting. And so I just need to get a little bit more room, but it does not hit the downpipe over there, so we got plenty of clearance there. It is a little bit taller because it's a 26-inch wheel, 17 rims. They can only take a 26 as the smallest tire. Wow, it looks good. I am digging it. So now, all we got to do, we're going to work on the back of the car. Y'all went through the last videos where we swapped it from slicks to radials, so now we're going to go back to slicks. It takes me about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do it. It's not too bad. So we're going to be at JJ the Boss's race this weekend at Natural Bridge, Virginia. Is our game plan on Saturday. So if y'all are close by, come see us. Hopefully we can get some wins and check out be awesome to be in the winner circle with some new front wheels. Yeah, let's go, baby. All right, appreciate it, Tony and Rowdy. We'll see y'all soon. Go check them out, RC Comp. Thanks.